Welcome today in front of me Honor 15 Lite, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with this device camera application on our device. So first we should open the camera application, and then here on the left upper corner you will see the just QR code scanner section. And now we have to click here on this section. Here we should allow to take pictures and record videos for Honor lens, for example, while using the application. And now we just should scan the QR code. For example, I'll go with this example, and now here, as can you see, our just camera just find this QR code. Okay, open with Chrome just once or always. I will open just once, and here click accept and continue. Yes, I'm in. But let's do this again because you didn't see how. So as can you see, our device find the QR code again. So I'll click just once here, and we just open the QR code link here. That was the Wikipedia link, and here you can see I just get right at that this was QR code with the Wikipedia link. So that's it, that how to scan QR codes with our Honor 50 Lite camera. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.